Today we will perform the experiment to obtain the static VI characteristic of SCR. Okay, so this is our circuit diagram. First we will draw the circuit diagram. In this circuit diagram you can see here, this is the SCR and there is 3 terminal, anode, cathode and gate. The anode terminal of SCR is connected to this load resistance ammeter, and this is the power supply. Okay, and another power supply is connected to the gate terminal of this SCR, and this is the ammeter for measuring the gate current. This is also the ammeter for measuring the anode current. So as it is, we can draw the circuit and make the connection as per this circuit diagram. Now we will go to the kit. Okay, make the connections as per our circuit diagram. Okay, so this is the voltage supply. Okay, this is the positive voltage, this is given to this, and this is the link. This is the load resistance, this is the constant load resistance. Okay, now this is the ammeter, this is the ammeter for measuring the anode current. Okay, we connect this terminal to this anode terminal of this SCR. Okay, now we will connect the cathode to this terminal and the negative of this. This is the another gate supply, gate voltage, and the negative terminal of this is connected to here. Okay, as it is, the gate terminal is connected to this gate supply. This is the another ammeter for measuring the gate current. Okay, and now this is the gate terminal is connected to the gate supply of this positive terminal. So as per circuit diagram, our connection is completed. Okay, you can see here in this circuit diagram, according to circuit diagram we have connect the पहले इसको लगा देते हैं, रुक जाओ, चालू कर दो. Okay, we have connect the all connections. Okay, as per circuit diagram. Before on the switch, you should have to ensure that this knob is in 0 position. This is the power supply, and this knob is also is in 0 position. Okay, this is the for gate voltage supply, this is for the anode voltage supply. Okay, now we will on the switch. Okay, so first we will perform step by step. First we will increase this voltage. Okay, we will increase this voltage up to 100 volt. Okay, so we have given the input voltage supply or anode voltage. As it is, you can see in this multimeter, the voltage across this SCR, the voltage across this SCR is also 100 volt. Okay, and first we will draw the table according to that. Okay, first this is the supply voltage. Okay, then gate current, then anode voltage, then anode current. So first we have keep the supply voltage in 100 volt. Now you can see here in this ammeter, this is the measuring for the gate current. This is also 0, there is no any deflection. In this anode current there are some 0 current still. Okay, if now we will increase the slowly the gate voltage. Okay, with the help of this we can increase the gate voltage. Okay, so this is the 2.5 5 milliampere. You can see here there are some small gate current we have given here. Okay, right. And you can see in this anode current still there are some small leakage current is flowing now. As it is, you can see in this table there is supply voltage is constant, and we have given here gate current is 2.5 milliampere. As it is, you can see here the voltage across thyristor is constant, there is no any change. Again we have increased the gate voltage, gate supply. Okay, you can see here we have kept the knob at 5 milliampere. We have given the gate current in 5 milliampere. As it is, you can see the voltage across SCR, that is also constant, and the anode current, this is also still flowing small leakage current. That means still SCR is not in conduction mode, still SCR in off state. Okay, now what will we do? Now we will increase also the gate current. Yes, now the gate current is 6.5 milliampere or approximate to 7 milliampere. Now you can see in this anode current there is anode current is flowing now. That means the SCR in goes in conduction mode, SCR is on condition. As it is, you can see the voltage across SCR. Okay, the voltage across SCR is 0.7 volt. Okay, so we can say that this is the our breakdown voltage, or we can say that is the forward breakover voltage. Okay, now this point the SCR is in goes in conduction mode. Okay, now the see the table, we have keep the gate current 6.5 milliampere and the anode voltage, that is the 0.7 volt, and anode current is 50 milliampere. Okay, you can see here the anode current, the value of anode current is 50 milliampere shown in this meter. Okay, that means the SCR is in now on condition. Still, if we are increasing the gate voltage, okay, there is no any changes in anode current. Okay, that means if we are keeping this anode voltage in 0, still SCR in conducting mode. Okay, still SCR is in conducting mode or on condition. If we decrease the gate current, there is also SCR is in still on condition, and that is also the voltage is same, that is the 0.7 volt. That means okay, so after the completion of this procedure, you can we can conclude that this is the following readings we have performed during this experiment, and conclusion is that after that you can draw the graph between voltage and current, and the graph is looking like this. Okay, so this is the conclusion of the experiment for the to study to obtain the VI characteristic of SCR. Okay, thank you.